This is a brand new 2015 Audi A6. This four-door sedan has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a supercharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.